Action. See that? Hold up. What's up, people? This is Agent Cory Banks, Realtor 007, and I am giving you an update on one of my projects that we're working on. And as you see, got my man Teddy in the back. Say what's up, Teddy. See what I go through? We're not dealing with this today. Anyway, like I said, I'm giving you an update. So as you see right now, we're in the kitchen. And last time we saw the kitchen was a little different, right?
Hey,
so
is this one of the points in time that you can do one of them little flashback things that you can show the kitchen what it looked like before to now?
Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that right now. So check it out. We've pretty much gutted the whole kitchen and we've knocked out the wall to create more space so we can get that look that we always talk about. When you walk in the door, you can see through the back door.
Oh, open concept.
Can I finish? Thank you. Goodness. It's called open concept. And as you know, that is a trend definitely in Baltimore City that you see a lot, where you have that open space in the houses, which is something that we're looking to create here as well. Now, what else are we doing here?
I mean, basically, like you said, we're doing a whole concept in the kitchen, which we already done. Open up the walls. Actually, we added 2 more lights because it was real dark in here. Nobody likes a dark kitchen. Pretty much you're gonna see when we get done.
Okay, but we had some challenges in working with this.
I wasn't gonna talk about that because
I want to talk about
one of the challenges.
Okay.
We're gonna have a white cabinet.
So you want to talk about it because I won.
We gonna have a white cabinet. Florida 42-inch cabinets up here. Not gonna be a whole lot. Refrigerator, the zinc stove, this little countertop over there. That's it.
But what were the challenges though? So you don't want to talk about the challenges is that what's happening?
He gonna edit this later and tell you, because I'm not.
No, we're gonna talk about the challenges. What were the challenges, Teddy?
Wait for that. It's coming.
We're gonna try this again. Give me a second. But we had some challenges in doing the whole design of the kitchen. So explain to me some of those challenges.
The challenges we had basically were cabinets were terrible. The countertop was terrible. We tried to fix a little bit, but it was crumbling. We just decided to take it all out. Notice the bulkhead that we had up there. So now we're gonna go with 42-inch cabinets. So you get more cabinet space. Brand new cabinets down low. We want a refrigerator, the zinc, stove. We're not gonna put a dishwasher in at this time, but we're gonna have a 24-inch cabinet right here.
Okay.
Then the stove, and then we're gonna have a 45 by 45 eating area.
Right.
A little more storage underneath.
Because part of it is not, again, as we talked about before, this is not a complete rehab. It's more of a prehab where we're not gutting the whole place, right?
Correct.
And so that means that we have to make some adjustments here and there in order to fit into the budget and which we're talking about. So the kitchen, of course, we had a different design. We had a whole different concept with the kitchen until we found out, like you said, we had bad cabinets. And you said the cabinets were, I think it was like hollow inside or something crazy.
We looked on the bottom of the zinc cabinet and you saw the floor.
Right.
And the bottom of it, you can see was worn out. I want to say water damage.
Right.
So we fixed that, we went to the wall, got the plumbing correct, changed out the trap. It was pretty much all that was broke.
Okay.
But
don't worry, it's still, as you see, it's still work going on. Say, what's up, Brandon? What's happening, man?
That's all I can say. That's Brandon.
Okay, hey, that's it. But as you see, I'm giving you guys updates on some of these projects. So right now, this is actually, we're at the Airman project. We're just talking about the kitchen right now. I'll give you more updates as we move forward and as we get closer to completion. Until then, this is my man Teddy with the Bear Home Improvement. And of course, I'm Agent Cory Banks, Realtor 007. Until then, I'll check you later and have an amazing day. Get back to work.